Hello and welcome to my channel, where I talk about the latest developments in clean energy and technology. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the Tesla Megapack battery system that has officially turned on to replace Hawaii's last coal plant. This is a huge milestone for the state's transition to 100% renewable energy and also a demonstration of the amazing capabilities of battery storage. But before we get into the details, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you. Hawaii is an island state that depends heavily on imported fossil fuels for its electricity generation. In fact, it has the highest electricity prices in the United States, averaging about 30 cents per kilowatt hour, compared to the national average of 13 cents. To reduce its dependence on fossil fuels and lower its greenhouse gas emissions, Hawaii has set a goal of reaching 100% renewable energy by 2045. This is a very ambitious target, considering that in 2021, only about 30% of the state's electricity came from renewable sources, mainly solar and wind. One of the main challenges of integrating more renewable energy into the grid is the intermittency and variability of these sources. Solar and wind power depend on the weather and the time of day, and they can fluctuate significantly from hour to hour or even minute to minute. This creates a mismatch between supply and demand and can cause instability and power outages on the grid. To overcome this challenge, Hawaii needs a way to store excess renewable energy when it is available and release it when it is needed. This is where battery storage comes in. Battery storage is a technology that allows electricity to be stored in chemical form and converted back to electrical form when needed. Battery storage can provide several benefits to the grid, such as frequency regulation, voltage support, peak shaving, load shifting, and backup power. Battery storage can also enable more renewable energy penetration by smoothing out the fluctuations and providing firm capacity. One of the most advanced and widely used battery storage technologies is the lithium-ion battery, which is also used in electric vehicles, smartphones, laptops, and other devices. Lithium-ion batteries have high energy density, high efficiency, long cycle life, and fast charging and discharging capabilities. However, they also have some drawbacks, such as high cost, safety risks, and environmental impacts. Tesla, the company founded by Elon Musk, is a leader in the field of lithium-ion battery storage. Tesla has developed a product called Megapack, which is a container-sized battery system that can store up to 3 megawatt-hours of energy and deliver up to 1.5 megawatts of power. A Megapack consists of thousands of individual battery cells, along with a thermal management system, a power conversion system, and a battery management system. A Megapack can be easily installed and connected to the grid, and can be scaled up by adding more units. Tesla claims that Megapack is the largest and most cost-effective battery system in the world, and that it can replace peaker plants, which are fossil fuel power plants that run only during periods of high demand. Tesla has deployed Megapacks in several locations around the world, such as Australia, California, and Alaska. But the most impressive project so far is the one in Hawaii, where Tesla has installed 158 Megapacks at a site called Kapolei Energy Storage on the island of Oahu. This project has a total capacity of 185 megawatts and 565 megawatt-hours, making it one of the largest battery storage systems in the world. The project was developed by Plus Power, a company that specializes in energy storage solutions, and contracted by Hawaiian Electric, the utility that serves most of the state. The Kapolei Energy Storage project is designed to replace the Kahe power plant, which was the last coal plant in Hawaii and the largest single source of greenhouse gas emissions in the state. The Kahe power plant was shut down in September 2022 after 60 years of operation, and the site is being decommissioned and cleaned up. The Kapolei Energy Storage project will provide the same amount of power as the coal plant, but with zero emissions and zero fuel costs. The project will also provide several grid services, such as fast frequency response, synthetic inertia, and black start, which will enhance the reliability and stability of the grid. The project is expected to save customers money by reducing the need for expensive fossil fuels and avoiding costly grid upgrades. The project is also expected to reduce the curtailment of renewable energy by absorbing excess solar and wind power during the day and releasing it during the evening peak or when the weather is unfavorable. The Kapolei Energy Storage project is a remarkable achievement and a testament to the potential of battery storage to enable a clean energy transition. However, it is not without challenges and risks. One of the main challenges is the safety and reliability of the battery system. Lithium-ion batteries are prone to thermal runaway, which is a phenomenon where the temperature of a battery cell rises uncontrollably, leading to fire or explosion. Thermal runaway can be triggered by various factors, such as overcharging, overdischarging, short circuit, mechanical damage, or external heat. Thermal runaway can also propagate from one cell to another, causing a chain reaction that can destroy the entire battery system. To prevent thermal runaway and ensure the safety and reliability of the battery system, Tesla and Plus Power have implemented several measures, such as using lithium iron phosphate (LFP) cells, which have lower energy density but higher thermal stability than other lithium-ion chemistries, such as nickel-manganese-cobalt (NMC) or nickel-cobalt-aluminum (NCA). Installing thermal sensors, fuses, circuit breakers, and fire suppression systems in each megapack to monitor the temperature, current, and voltage of the battery cells, and to cut off the power or extinguish the fire in case of an anomaly. Designing the megapacks with a gap between them to prevent heat transfer and fire spread among the units. Placing the megapacks on a concrete pad, surrounded by a metal fence, and away from any flammable materials or structures. Implementing a battery management system, which controls the charging and discharging of the battery cells and optimizes their performance and lifespan. Performing regular inspections, maintenance, and testing of the battery system to ensure its proper operation and condition. These measures are expected to reduce the likelihood and severity of thermal runaway and other failures, and to protect the battery system and the surrounding environment from any potential harm. However, they are not foolproof, and there is still a possibility of accidents or malfunctions, especially as the battery system ages and degrades over time. Therefore, it is important to have contingency plans and emergency procedures in place in case of any unforeseen events. The Kapolei Energy Storage project is a bold and visionary initiative that showcases the power and promise of battery storage. It is also a complex and challenging endeavor that requires careful planning and execution. It is a project that will have a significant impact on Hawaii's energy landscape and also on the global energy transition. It is a project that deserves our attention and admiration, and also our scrutiny and vigilance. It is a project that I hope will inspire and inform other similar projects around the world, and also spark further innovation and improvement in battery storage technology. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new and interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.